Let's begin with a new topic today. Page number 8, chapter number 1, types of graph. On page number 3, we have seen types of diagram, where 3 types of diagram was there. Simple bar diagram, time-based diagram and pie diagram, and in bar diagram again 3 were there, simple, clustered and divided. So don't get confused between the topic. This is type of graph, and what previously so far we had done is a type of diagram. Okay, use of graph is also frequently made in economics. Statistic classified graphs as under time series graph, graph for continuous frequency distribution. You all know what is continuous frequency distribution. We have already seen in examples of diagram and graph. Histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, cumulative frequency polygon, and the third one is logarithm graph. But under this chapter we will only study within time series graph. So go to your page number 9. In a trade cycle or in a cycle of economic activity, short term and long term regular or irregular changes are observed. First of all, there are 4 phases in trade cycle: boom, recession, depression and recovery. You know that no one lasts on the same positions for the longer periods of time. The cycles goes on rotating. Yes, so if there is any changes, whether it is for short term or whether it is for long term, or there is irregular changes or regular changes, when such changes are observed, then it is presented in time series graph. The time series graph is a graph that with the help of the statistical tool we draw a certain changes with a variable. It can be presented in a tabular. When tabular form is that you will draw a time series graph that is like this, when some shapes or some slopes you will draw. Just see, the trend of such changes are observed with the help of a statistical tool, and when graph are drawn taking these changes as a variable, that is whatever changes have taken place, if that changes are variable and time period are base, then such graph are called a time series graph. Since the syllabus does not include other types of graph, they are not discussed here. So basically this graph is used, or it help us to show the different types of trends or different types of pattern, like upward pattern, downward pattern, slope, और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पैटर्न ये हमको बता दिए ऐसे ऐसे, या फिर कुछ चेंज हो रहा है डाउनवर्ड अपवर्ड. येस, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पैटर्न्स एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस इन ट्रेंड दैट हैव टेकन प्लेस. All such changes are observed as taking a time period as a base and those changes as a variable, then it is known as in time series graph.